students, welcome to maths class. In today's maths class, we will discuss the next types of the topic graphical representation of data, which tells us how to visualize the data. Students, before starting the discussion of graphical questions, first of all, let's have a look on the objectives of today's class. So today, we will learn how to draw frequency polygon using histogram. There are three cases. Case number 1, when data starts from 0. Case number 2, when data does not start from 0 but gap is same. And case number 3, when data does not start from 0 but gap is not same. That is when we use shrinkage. Now students, we will do the definition of frequency polygon first of all. See, what is a frequency polygon? It is a graph made by joining the middle points of columns of a histogram. See, this is a histogram. We have joined all the middle points of the histogram, and the graph which we will obtain, that graph will be known as frequency polygon using histogram. Students, see the statement. Statement number 1 is draw frequency polygon with histogram by using following data. Data is class interval 0 till 8, 8 till 16, 16 till 24, 24 till 32, 32 till 40. And the corresponding frequency is 6, 9, 12, 10 and 5. Now children, by using this data, we will draw frequency polygon using histogram. That first of all, we will draw histogram. As we have learned how to draw histogram, we will write all the related things, that is x-axis, y-axis, origin, scale, information along both the axes. See the scale. Here gap is of 8. So we will write 2 centimeter is equals to 8 units. As here we are having class interval, so here we will write units on x-axis. And same way we are having frequency here. So here also we will write 2 centimeter is equals to gap of 2, so we will write 2 units on y-axis, and with this information we will draw this graph, that is we will draw histogram. And after drawing the histogram, we will join the midpoints of all the bars. Here like this, we will join the midpoints of all the bars. Same way we have joined all the bars by their midpoint. Now what we will do? We will do 1 point previous from bar and 1 point above from the bar, and here also we will join midpoint only. Now students, with help of scale, we will join all the midpoint which we have plotted just now. Mark the midpoint and join it with help of scale. Now students, below which we have plotted, that point we will bring down by using dotted lines. Here also we will draw dotted line and then we will join it. Students, this is the case number 1 to draw frequency polygon using histogram. Now we will do case number 2. Now students, see the case number 2, when we have to draw frequency polygon when data does not start from 0. See, marks 10 till 20, 20 till 30, 30 till 40, 40 till 50, 50 till 60. And the corresponding frequency, that is number of students, are 7, 9, 12, 8 and 6. Now children, by using this data, we will draw frequency polygon using histogram. Using same previous steps, we will draw the histogram. We will write all the related things, that is x-axis, y-axis, origin, information and scale. Here in scale we will write marks, 10 marks on x-axis because gap is of 10, and along y-axis we will write students because here we are having number of students. So here we will write 2 centimeter is equals to 2 students along y-axis. Now students, here class interval starts from 10. So this first bar, this first position will remain empty. We will not write, we will not plot any bar in first column. As I told you in previous case that put points put dots on the midpoint of the bars and draw 1 point below here, 1 point here. Now students, we will join all the midpoints by using scale. In this way, we will join all the midpoints here with solid line. When we will bring this down, we will bring it down by using dotted line here also and here also. We will join it by using dotted line. So students, this is the case number 2 to draw frequency polygon using histogram. Students, we will do case number 3 when data does not start from 0 but gap of first class interval is not same from origin, as here gap is of 20 from origin but other class interval gap from each other is same. Here gap from each other is 5. Now see the statement. It is draw frequency polygon by using histogram. Expenditure 20 till 25, 25 till 30, 30 till 35, 35 till 40, 40 till 45, 45 till 50 and last is 50 till 55. And number of students are 4, 7, 16, 18, 6, 2 and 10. See that thing, this gap must be same, means data should be in continuous form. We can't do graph with discontinuous data. Since as we have done in previous 2 cases, we have put dots on the midpoints of all the bars. So here also we'll put dots on the midpoint of all the bars and here also we'll take 1 point above and here 1 point previous and we will join its midpoints by straight line with help of scale. We will join all the midpoints like this. Students, with help of scale, we will draw frequency polygon using histogram. Join it from here also and when we will join it down, we will join it with dotted lines above also and previous also. In between shrinkage, we will join it with dotted lines. So students, this is the case number 3 to draw frequency polygon using histogram. I hope that all the 3 cases are clear to you and now you will be able to draw it yourself. Thank you and have a nice day.